To set start new chats with disappearing messages in WhatsApp, in iPhone 14 Pro, open WhatsApp, tap WhatsApp to open, and then select settings. Next, tap privacy, and then tap default message timer. On start new chats with disappearing messages, select option you want: 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or off. When enabled, all new individual chats will start with disappearing messages set to the selected duration. These settings will not affect your existing chats. And then tap back button to save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.